375, which is another document Mr. Rottenborn showed you last week.
Yes.
Could you please remind the jury what's reflected in this photograph?
If Amber Heard is trying to gauge her chances of success in the bruising civil battle between her and her ex-husband Johnny Depp, she may not want to look at her lawyers, and that's probably the reason why she can't get her eyes off Johnny Depp. Since the onset of the trial, not for a single minute has the Pirates of the Caribbean star gazed at his ex-wife. But that can't be said of Amber, who can't help but stare at Jack Sparrow, and at some point even mimicked his dressing code. Does this mean the actress is not over Depp? Or is it some psychological game she's playing? Let's find out more. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's defamation trial resumed after a week-long hiatus, during which the 36-year-old actress took the stand and faced cross-examination from Depp's lawyers. In one of her opening statements, Camille Vasquez, one of Depp's lawyers, asked Amber, "Mr. Depp hasn't looked at you once this entire trial, has he?" To which she replied, "Not that I've noticed, no." "You've looked at him many times, haven't you?" Vasquez continued. Amber responded, "Yes, I have." Vasquez quickly responded, "You know exactly why Mr. Depp won't look at you, don't you? He promised you you would never see his eyes again. Isn't that true?" To that question, Amber told the Virginia court that she doesn't recall whether Depp said those exact words. In response, Depp's attorney played an audio recording of one of the couple's last in-person meetings in 2016, in which Depp told her that from that moment on, "We won't have to see each other again. You will not see my eyes again." The super actress organized the final meeting between the two, but at the time, she had filed for a temporary restraining order against Depp. Amber's former agent testified earlier in the trial that the actress organized the meeting because she wanted to get back together with Depp. However, during her testimony, Amber denied that she had been attempting to revive her relationship with Depp. "I wanted to minimize the animosity. I wanted to reconcile in that way. I didn't want to get back together with him," she said. After the recording finished playing, Vasquez, Depp's lawyer, said, "He's kept that promise, hasn't he?" in reference to Depp not looking at Amber, to which she responded, "As far as I know, he cannot look at me." "He won't look at you, right, Miss Heard?" asked Vasquez. "He can't," Amber replied. Depp has frequently been seen doodling on a notepad or looking down as his ex-wife gives evidence on the stand at Fairfax County Circuit Court. Body language experts now have every reason to believe Amber's constant gaze on Depp may signify that she never actually moved on from the breakup. During the cross-examination, Amber continued to dismiss and deny claims made by other witnesses whose testimony contradicted her statements. Meanwhile, the actress kept looking at the jury while sharing her answers with the court. Several social media users studied Amber's body language during the trial and criticized her habit of looking at Depp, and most especially the jury while providing her testimony. Ever since the Drive Angry star took the stand to testify, she has often been spotted looking at the jury, hoping to create a beneficial bond. She repeated similar behavior during her recent cross-examination and sparked an online debate regarding the issue. But for those who have kept in touch with the couple's troubled life from the start, it doesn't come as a surprise that Amber still appears to admire Depp. The 36-year-old actress shared a public message about her ex-husband ahead of this ongoing trial. In a statement shared on Instagram, Amber told her 4.6 million followers that she is taking a few weeks away from social media as she gears up for her appearance in court. She went on to say that she still has love for the actor and that it brings her great pain to put their private life on display. The Aquaman actress continued, "I have always maintained a love for Johnny, and it brings me great pain to have to live out the details of our past life together in front of the world." She then thanked her fans and loved ones for the support they have given her and said she would be leaning on it more than ever in the weeks ahead. Meanwhile, Depp has been accused of getting too cozy with his gorgeous and brilliant attorney, Camille Vasquez. Body language experts believe that Depp's in-court relationship with lawyer Vasquez is a plan to get the edge over Amber Heard in their ongoing legal battle. Vasquez and Depp have made headlines for their relationship, with many speculating about its nature and whether or not they do share more intimate moments in addition to those seen in the courtroom. When someone is trying to clear their name in court, the behavior of their legal teams and the way they interact with them will send out very strong, influential, nonverbal messages to a jury, and in a case this size, the rest of the world. Body language expert Judy James says, "See it this way. As a dejected, weeping Amber details her relationship with Depp in the witness box, what better weapon there is to wheel into and try to destroy her version of the marriage than this fresh, smart, fragrant, and confident-looking woman who is also happy to use body language language to suggest she is a coyly smitten fan. I don't think there's any better distraction for cornered Amber, really, and the experts agree. Vasquez's behavior in court places Depp back into the role of the romantic hero. For Depp's loyal fans, these dramatic rituals will seem like validation. I mean, if this intelligent, beautiful woman thinks he is okay, then maybe he is. If the fans have noticed all the lovey-dovey body language of Depp and her attorney, so has Amber, and that probably explains her constant eye check on the actor. While treating his ex like a modern-day Medusa who might turn him to stone if he once looks in her direction, Depp gets to show off all his skills of eye contact, charm, and even protect concern with Vasquez. The pair's interactions have been making headlines, and Vasquez was even asked about the nature of the relationship, to which she just smiled. And that's not the only heartbreak Amber should expect in the remaining weeks. Her lawyers also appeared dejected and worn out, probably giving a signal that they are about to throw in the towel. Elaine Bredehoft, part of Amber's legal team, was captured as appearing exhausted, frustrated, and a little defeated. Bredehoft's demeanor didn't go unnoticed by social media users, especially as she was repeatedly interrupted by Depp's star lawyer, Camille Vasquez. Bredehoft was observed saying, I'm trying, as she examined her client Amber on the stand, while Vasquez objected to most lines of questions, with the judge sustaining the objections. Social media users on TikTok have gone so far as to express sympathy for Bredehoft's difficult task, especially amid unconfirmed rumors of tension between Amber and her legal team. It follows a dramatic week in an even more dramatic trial, as Amber's lawyers mounted her defense against her ex-husband Depp's defamation lawsuit. This week, the Serb actress's team put forward testimonies that dented Depp's argument, including that of a Disney executive, Tina Newman, who said the decision to bar Depp from the Pirates of the Caribbean 6 movie had nothing to do with Amber's article. At the same time, Depp also received a boost from unfamiliar quarters, French model and actress Eva Green. Green, one of Johnny Depp's former co-stars, is confident the actor will clear his name in his trial against ex-wife Amber Heard, who has testified about his alleged domestic violence and sexual assault. 41-year-old Green, who co-starred with Depp in the 2012 movie Dark Shadows, supported the actor on Instagram Thursday, May 19th. She wrote alongside a throwback photo of herself with him, I have no doubt Johnny will emerge with his good name and wonderful heart revealed to the world, and life will be better than it ever was for him and his family. It seems Depp has something for French models, and they have something for him too. That said, Depp and Amber's story is not the perfect Romeo and Juliet vibe, but it's undoubtedly worth lending an ear to. Do you think Amber hasn't moved on for over 5 years? Or is she just putting up a show? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of the drama happening in the Florida courtroom, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of them.